If you've got sore and tight muscles, I got 5 stretches you can do at home right now to start feeling better. So let's get to it. The first one is a bent over hamstring stretch. Just lean forward, try to let your hands go to the ground. And every time you exhale, try to stretch a little farther. You're gonna feel a stretch in the back of your hamstrings and in your lower back. Try to hold the stretch for about 1.5 minutes. So for the next stretch, we're gonna be stretching our lower back. You're gonna sit on the ground, cross one leg over the other, and with your opposite arm, put your elbow behind your thigh, twist, exhale, and push your elbow against your thigh to stretch your back. While we're on the ground, we're gonna stretch our hips. You're gonna put your heels wider than your shoulder width apart, and you're gonna drop one knee to the inside of the opposite foot. And you're gonna repeat the same. Try to get that knee to the ground. Take your time, get a good stretch every time. This is gonna open up your hips. Our fourth stretch is gonna be an elbow to instep. You're gonna take a long lunge, and whatever foot you step with, try to touch the ground with that elbow. Exhale, stretch farther, and eventually you get that elbow to the ground. And for the last stretch, we're gonna do lying lower back stretches. You're gonna lay on your back, hug your knees, pull your knees to your chest. Exhale, and just stretch your lower back. So make sure you try these stretches. If they're effective, be sure to tag a friend, and I'll see you at the gym soon.